Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. As today we're gonna make some gourmet restaurant style mac and cheese. Short cheddars that we're gonna throw in here, milk, some string cheeses, got your macaronis, and then a whole bunch of seasonings on this side. Got some shrimpies. I love shrimp. If you guys know me, you know I love shrimp. So behind me right here is my laptop. The reason why is because I don't know how to cook. This is the first time I'm cooking. Kind of, I mean, I've cooked barely ever. I really want to start learning how to cook. You know, I'm tired of eating oven foods, tired of eating fast food. It's time to learn how to cook. I'm gonna chop up some cheddar.
First mistake I did was cooking the cheese first. You should do it last.
3 cups of milk. So this is, we'll say this is 1 cup because this cup is really big. Put some Parmesan. Putting the cheese in, or the cube blocks. So stir this. Cooking is stressful. It's like you have to stay on top of all your stuff. Cheese, just sprinkle it right in there because we love and we want our stuff to be extra cheesy. Hey, this is my mother. Say hi, girl. She acts like the camera doesn't exist. What you doing, girl? What you doing? Put some chicken strips in the oven as well. Man, we're gonna have a whole gourmet, bro. Some flavor. Some shrimpy shrimp. Oh god, I'm not gonna be able to. And yeah, I'm gonna need some scissors. Oh. Sprinkle some in here just so we can start having some seasoning on here. Green stuff. The shrimp looks so good. Look at this shrimp. Mmm. Smells so good. Yes. All right, just need to put the chicken strips in this pan and then we can throw it right in the oven. They're thick chicken strip pieces, so you're just gonna have to eat them all in one bite. Look at this. Look at that. Look at it. So now we're gonna put this bad boy in the oven. It's done out of the oven for 15 minutes. What you guys think? It looks a little messy, but we gotta do the taste test. The taste test. Oh, we can't forget about my shrimp. Those greasy little salty things. Let's see.
That was a lie. It was terrible. The first few bites, especially with the chicken strips, was amazing. But no, it was just terrible. But one day I will be a great cook.
Yes, I passed. Yeah. Yeah.
That is what I call pure liquid, not even cheese, just straight liquid. Gross.
Thank you so much for watching Yaya's kitchen cooking time. I know I need to learn some more stuff. Like and comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Tell a friend to subscribe. There's some affiliate links down below. Check them out. And you guys have a blessed day. Bye. Hey, Ma, look at the camera.